Hello friends, I am Dr. Rachita Dhurat, practicing as a dermatologist in Mumbai. I am also professor and head of Department of Dermatology at LTMG Hospital, Sion, Mumbai. As you witness, there is a sudden surge of cases with superficial fungal infections in our practice, and we face difficulty in treating such cases. There are many challenges to overcome it. So on 13th of June at 5 p.m. I'll be speaking on superficial fungal infection in daily practice and how to manage it. I also will be sharing few unusual cases of superficial fungal infections, and this will be live webinar. See you on 13th June at 5 p.m. Do join for this webinar. Thank you.